Hey guys, so today I received the ShadeIdea screen covers for the Jeep JL. This is for my wife's Jeep. I'm currently running the Alien in my Rubicon, but my wife wants to deck hers out from the steam gray in a contrast color of purple. So in the box, which is kind of cool, I thought they gave us a little extra grab bar mesh holder. The two shades for the front and the rear. Nice color purple. I think she'll be happy with that. And then a bag of all the hardware. The one thing that I did like about the Alien gear is that they gave you actual plastic strap to be able to insert these straps behind the front windshield. ShadeIdea only gives you this paper. They say it's environmentally friendly. I don't foresee it holding up, so we may have to switch over to the ones that came with my Alien shade. Now the downfall is that there is an existing one already in the Jeep and it's stretched out and sagging, and let's go take a look at that now. This is my wife's 2018 JL. I just got it for her for our anniversary. So this is my wife's JL. It's pretty nice. Has about 30,000 miles on it. Pretty clean. This is what we're going to be replacing here. I think it was a black sunscreen at one point, maybe gray, but it's faded. And like I said, the wife wants to accent her Jeep in purple. We also have the one for the back. As you see, she's already got the sound dampener headliner installed, and it really does make a big difference. I don't have it in my Rubicon, and you could really tell the difference when you switch from Jeep to Jeep real quick. All right, so let's get started. Hey guys, there's one thing I want to share before we actually get into the installation. Oh, by the way, I got the freedom panels off and the old netting off. That'll go in the trash bin in a little bit. But for all of these different bungees that we have, the system is still the same. We have the inside face down, the ShadeIdea face down, and then we want to put these bungees from the bottom up through, and this should be the same for all of these bungees. So if you had a longer one for these edges or the rear, you would still put them up so that the ball is on the inside of the net. Otherwise, it will get caught up in your freedom panels when you guys try to put them back on. I hope that camera works up there. It's sitting on the roof. Now, in my experience, I'm only going to put the front two on. I'm going to feed all four through the windshield, but I'm only going to attach two. And the reason being is that when it comes to putting these bungees on the rear, it gets very, very tight. And I actually broke two of the bungees on my Alien shade, put him on. So there it is. Now these are the T connectors that come in the kit. And it actually looks like we caught that bolt just to the outside, so we have to feed it back through. just like I suspected, the paper did not hold up. All right, guys, the front is in. You notice all the balls are on the inside. You definitely need a strong piece of plastic. Don't use that paper puller that they give you. It'll snap back in your face and it hurts. Full disclosure, when I started, I had the rear section I put in up here, so I had to take all that out and put in the correct section for the front. But all in all, I think it looks pretty awesome. All right, guys, all done. All in all, I think it looks great. If you don't mess up like I did, probably take about 45 minutes. And that is with no instructions. I did not get instructions with this kit, but I did have the experience of the alien shade. So I kind of knew roughly how everything went. The freebie grab bag, I think it gives a nice color with the tops off. But the wife is the final say, and we'll see what she likes it in the next day or two. This is just her toy. There's my Jeep, and that Ram Rebel right there is actually her daily driver. So if you guys like this, I'll actually put links for this shade and the alien shade in the description below. And don't worry, there will be more videos coming. Forgive me on the camera work. This is my first video ever, but that entire shelf right there are all projects for the Jeeps. I have a Vector off-road, Molly rack, ham radio install, CB install, stuff falling down, high lift mounts. So stay tuned, more videos coming. Thanks. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe below.